Hi, are you looking for a reliable, budget-friendly dash cam setup for your car in 2025? Well, I might just have the camera for you. In this video, I'll review the IIWEY N5 Dash Cam. And this is a compact camera system offering 4 separate 1080p cameras. And they include night vision, shock sensor protection, and parking mode monitoring. It also has an extremely nice 3-inch LCD screen on the back. And if you notice here on the sides, there are 2 more cameras, and these can be turned pretty much any direction you want. And I use these for pointing out the side windows, so you get almost a full 360-degree view when you use it in combination with the rear camera here. And to view and export these to your phone, you can use the app that's included on your Android or iPhone. So in this unboxing video, I plan to show you the installation, day and night driving footage, and hopefully it'll help you decide if this is a camera for you. Thank you.
So it comes in a box, looks like this, and it is well packaged with a great user manual. This manual is really clear and concise. As you can see, it comes packed really well with nice foam. In addition, it comes with everything that you need, including a power cable, the rear camera, some adhesive tape, and an installation tool that you might need to run the cabling.
Okay, so the first thing you've got to do is make sure your window's clean. So I'm going to do that real fast. That looks good. If I'm not mistaken, that allows this right here to stick on there perfectly. Took the sticker off, and now I'm going to place that right where I think I should put it. Let's see. I hope that is straight. It looks pretty straight to me. So I'm going to drive around and just see how video looks afterwards, and I'll put some of this video test footage up.
So I'm going to start off with some footage during the day and let you check out the colors and the sharpness and whatnot. The front camera is 1440p, which is how I had it set, and the 2 side cameras are going to be 1080p. So here is the driver's side camera and the passenger side camera. With good light, the colors are really nice. Here's some nighttime footage. This was shot about 10:30 at night here in Texas, and I just wanted to show you what it looked like driving down a normal busy street. And here's the driver's side with the infrared turned on. And here's the passenger side. So what do you think? I actually like it a lot. It's going to replace the existing one that I currently have. So once again, this is the N5 by IIWEY, and if you're looking for a multiple camera dash cam, this might be the one for you.